If you want to use Steam Overlay while you're in a game, whether that's for chatting, browsing the web, taking screenshots, or opening the Steam interface without leaving your game, this quick guide will show you exactly how to enable it. We'll cover how to turn it on globally in Steam settings, and then how to make sure it's enabled for specific games too. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple gaming tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open the Steam client on your computer. Make sure you're signed into the account you use for gaming. Once Steam is open, look to the top left corner of the window and click Steam. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This is where Steam keeps all of its main preferences and configuration options. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see a sidebar on the left. Click In-Game. This section controls everything related to the Steam overlay, screenshots, and in-game Steam features. In the in-game settings, look for the option that says Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. You should see a toggle switch next to it. Click the switch to turn it on. When the toggle is enabled, Steam Overlay will be active for supported games on your system. Now, if you want to check whether the overlay is working properly for a specific game, you can do that from your library. Go back to your Steam library and find the game you want to play. Right-click the game, choose Properties, and look for the general or in-game settings depending on the version of Steam you have. Make sure the overlay option is enabled there as well. This is useful if a particular game has its own setting that overrides the global Steam preference. If the overlay still doesn't show up in-game, there are a few things you can quickly check. First, make sure Steam is running as the same user account and that the game is launched through Steam. Second, some games may need overlay support enabled inside their own settings. Third, if the overlay hotkey isn't working, check your Steam shortcut key settings and make sure nothing else on your computer is using the same shortcut. Once everything is turned on, launch your game and test it. In most cases, the default Steam overlay shortcut is Shift+Tab. When you press it during a game, the Steam interface should appear on top of your gameplay. From there, you can access friends, guides, chats, and browser features without closing the game. And that's it. You now know how to enable Steam overlay globally and check it for individual games. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.